Alright, one of the neat things is if you don't have a GoPro and you want to get some dashboard footage, you can sometimes take your phone and kind of pinch it between the headrest and the seat in the front. That's the big snow event that we're supposed to get today. We probably have an inch right now. BMW gives you a lot of chimes in the morning. Your doors open chime, the temperature's 37 chime. Actually, we're well below 37 today. This is another one of the reasons that you have all-wheel drive vehicles living in this state. Curious to see how this comes out. You can go out and spend, I don't even know how much a GoPro is anymore. I think when I bought mine it was like 500 some bucks. Or you can spend, well, about that or more on an iPhone and sticking it in your front seat. Well, the snow isn't that bad right now. We're supposed to get 18 to 26 inches of snow today. Kind of a pain when you're in March and nearly all the snow is gone from 60-degree weather. I think we peaked out at 67. This is when my phone falls off because the road is horrendously bumpy right through here. I guess it's doing okay. The old pinch test is working. Days like this, I say to myself, you really want to lower your car? You really want to drop it? Don't forget where you live. Luckily for us, we've all been practicing winter driving all season, so it's not our first rodeo. Not like the South where you get a couple inches and people just shut down everything. Although the North is starting to get like that. It's supposed to get 18 to 20 inches of snow today and they shut down everything. Schools are all closed today. But when you work doesn't get canceled a lot of the times. And I don't think it should. I think you're supposed to make it in the best of your ability.